Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa and today I'm going to show you a product from IKEA basically. So I guess you are able to see. So this product is I would say the name itself is it's Undvika, 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 and it is made in China, and it is basically a corner bumper. Whenever you see a corner on the table or anything, it will protect maybe your head or maybe your kid as well from the bumping surface. So if you see here, I do have this particular chair is this table is an IKEA table, guys, and you see there is a edge corner over here, this particular edge, and we will see how this product will be useful in covering up this particular edge. Okay, so this is, I purchased it because I have a kid at my home, and the kid is around 1 year of old, and she will definitely come to the places where there is an edge and she'll get hit by this, and next to I don't know what will happen. But there is a good product over here. The price is 209 rupees, but I got it for around 89 or 100 rupees, I believe. I don't, as I mentioned you, it's the name is called as Undvika, and it's a type of corner bumper. Okay, let us quickly open it, guys. It has 8 packs in it, as it says. Let's see. Yeah, as they clearly mentioned, it has 8 packs. It is this two is for one corner, guys. Whenever there is a corner, you can put it like this, and you can put it like this, and that should be something to hold. So the material is quite good, guys. It's made up of rubber, and which will definitely protect you from getting bumped by the edge. There is no edge over here, you can able to see, I believe. Yeah, so I got 8 number of items, 3, 3, 6 into 8, and let me see how we can utilize this. So they gave a pamphlet, I mean a information guide, where we can see how to use it. As per the information guide, we will be getting a set of A2, so individual set of, see there is a sticker they have provided. This is the sticker, and the sticker has all the cuts in it, so that you can it will be easier for you to utilize the cuts. And let me quickly open this one. So I'll show you with this particular table how to use it. See, there is a cut over here, and what I need to do is I need to apply this cut on the triangular section provided here, and let me quickly fit this one here. Yeah, as I fit this, you got to see this particular another cover here. You can open this cover, and then you can put it just on top of the table or just on the corner of the table, wherever you want. See, and see this one, it got fit, and I don't know how I will be able to use it here, but I believe this is fine. So only one tap is fine for me here right now. So if you see here, this is how we need to utilize it. So you get one set of this, you get one set of this, utilize it. So if you see here, I opened it for only one set, so you get 2 different, so there are 4 different type of covers here, so you can use one. Yeah, so for 2 set you need to use one set of this, guys. Okay, so I believe it is helpful, and whenever you are trying to open this, do not open it with a edgy surface, open it with a circular surface. See here, they have mentioned it, open it with this type of surface, do not use it with this type of surface. Okay, do not open it with a knife. So this is quite good, guys. So I believe you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, definitely hit the like button. If you want to purchase, I'll provide the purchase link on the description section. You can definitely go ahead and purchase this particular product as well. So guys, thanks for watching, and take care. Bye bye.